Hi everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Artsnacks box for February 2021. As always, we have our cute little Artsnacks logo sticker. The snack for this month's box is a Jawbuster. The first piece of actual art supplies is some Higgins Acrylic Ink. It is normally $7.95 retail price. This is a new product. Layer up this month with Higgins Acrylic Ink, a brand new product. This ink is waterproof and light fast, so you can create multiple layers with ease. The color is brilliant and intensely pigmented, and can be mixed with other Higgins inks to create custom hues. You can dilute it with water or use as is with a brush or dip pen. I got this one in sepia. Let me know in that comment section down below what color you guys got. It seems pretty opaque, at least with the shade I got, and it is a nice reddish base brown. Next, we have a Kiritaki Zig Metallic Clean Color Dot Double-Ended Marker. This is normally $4 retail. This is a staff favorite. Connecting the dots has never been easier. The Clean Color Dot Marker lets you create perfectly round dots, now in metallic color. Features two nibs, a 1mm tip for detail work, and a rounded dot tip. Try changing the pressure as you draw to create brush strokes or dot marks in varying sizes. The water-based metallic ink shines on light or dark paper. I got a nice metallic blue-based green here, and I'm not really sure how I'm going to use this and the brown together. We also got a pencil this month. It is a Ronda Graphstone pencil. This is normally $5.72 retail. Experience pure graphite with the Ronda Graphstone pencil, made from a solid piece of graphite, no wood casing. This pencil is great for quick gesture drawing. It can be used like a regular pencil or broken up into chunks for more expressive work. Sharpen it normally to achieve a super fine tip. I do like these kind of pencils where there isn't really a wood casing because you can cover a large area very easily with it. I think this is another case with Artsnacks where I like everything individually, but I don't think I like them together. We got a nice little brush to apply the ink with. It is a Princeton Velvet Touch Series 3950 synthetic brush, round, size 4. This is normally $8.35 retail. Paint in the lap of luxury with the Princeton Velvet Touch brush. Its silky, soft finish wood handle complements the excellent performance of its synthetic bristles. 7 years of research and development went into creating these filaments meant to outperform natural hair. This brush works well across all mediums and pairs well with the Higgins Acrylic Ink. The brush worked pretty well. You can see it in these swatches that were earlier in this video. The final item we got in this month's box is a Noir Thermoplastic Eraser. It's normally $1.39 retail price. It's all about control with the Noir Thermoplastic Eraser. Comfortably hold this handy tool and erase with complete accuracy thanks to its ergonomic hexagonal shape. The durable rubber material is gentle on paper and comes in a variety of fun colors. Which one did you get? I got purple. Let me know in the comment section down below what you got. I applied a good little chunk of the pencil there, and I'm trying to erase it with the eraser. It did take me a second. That is pretty normal with the amount of graphite I laid down, though. But with that, this unboxing and these swatches, and therefore this video, are pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you want to let me know how you felt about the items in this month's box, let me know all about that in the comment section down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Artsnacks unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!